Today, we're about to unbox this thingy that I found from right over there. Right over there. So, let's open this one. You want to see what's inside? But before that, you need to like and subscribe first, before I open this box. In 3, 2, 1. Ready to open this box? Here we go. We need to open this way, but there's a tape there, so we need to cut it with the scissor. I already cut it with the scissor. So, want to see here? Here we go. You want? Check this out. I just got this. I just got this green thingy. See, I told you we can get. I found the green one. I'll eat this save for later. I'm gonna eat this after the video. Okay, right. And there's something here. Check this out. We got only this thing and the Squidward. Then you might see both of them. See? I told you you can see both of them. Try this, look at that. See this? This Gary, this is Squidward. Let's close this. Put it here. Now I want to see the last project. The last thingy. These are these. Collect all 13 characters. The SpongeBob thingy is super rare. And there's one character and only one character. Sometimes there might be two. But then here we go. We got this extra mini pies. I might feel something there. That is the thingy. Here we go. I'm gonna find the scissors. Stay there. Here it is. Ready for cutting? Oh, more. Oh, if you want to just rip, just like do like this, I'll show you. If you want to do like this, then you can. But maybe I also do it. But I can't because my nails. Here we go. We just need to cut the scissor, right? Or you can find this. And then that's hard, right? So we just cut right here, up there. Then place like this. Cut it like that. And then you might get something special, right? You may get something special, right? Open this. And then we got something here. Before I get something right under there, can you tell me in the comments what you got here? Please, okay? I'm gonna count 3. I'm gonna get this out in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. What is this? Look at this. Tell me the name of this, and also tell in the comments too. We found this one. I don't know what is its name. Tell me in the comments, okay? Let's put it back. And that's all of our video. See you guys. Okay, this is me now. I'm just like this. This is my second part, right? I'm going to eat this thingy. This is not the end yet. I'm just gonna eat this thingy. I have a scissor. I show myself so you can see me eat this thingy. And it smells like gummies. Gummy bears. You know the gummy bear song? Look, it's the Krabby Patty song. The Krabby Patty gummy bear song. I'm gonna open this and we got this. See this? It's my Krabby Patty. It's so solid that you can like do something to it. Well, today I'm going to eat it. I'm going to eat it in 5. Wait, before I eat this, like and subscribe. Also comment. I copied the same thing as the first video that I opened the prize. Well, here we go. I'm going to count in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I'm going under and this time I fear there's no one to save me.
UF1000 XM5.
It's hard to chew, right? Watch me eat this.
I need somebody to heal.
This is my first time eating Krabby Patty.
Somebody to have, somebody to hold. It's easy to say.
And I can feel it that it comes down to my throat. Oh my god. Sour pickles. It looks like I'm eating pickles.
I'm going under and this time I fear there's no one to
Oh
save.
yes. Oh my god.
Let's
take this part. Now we got only this part. I'm gonna eat this. Oh.
I need somebody to heal, somebody to know.
Do you know that it's very hard to chew because my teeth is weak? Who knows can chew this very hard and can easily bite it? Tell me in the comments, okay?
I'm going under this time I fear there's no one to save.
I'm tasting like sliced apples.
It's all or nothing really got a way of driving me crazy. I need somebody to heal, somebody to know, somebody to have, somebody.
Don't listen to these, okay? Don't listen to these, okay? Sorry for pointing you like that. Well, I'm gonna continue eating my Krabby Patty. Here we go. I'm tasting sour pickles. It looks like I'm tasting sour pickles, right? Very hard chewing, right?
I need somebody to heal.
I think this is it left.
Somebody to have. Somebody to.
Well, this is my first time eating this, right? I'm too weak eating this already. Oh my god. Very weak, right? How can we cut this into pieces? Do you know? And it's like this. Okay, I only ate like that. Next up, I'm gonna see in the next video, but this is not actually. This may connect to each other by CapCut. The pinky look like this strawberry. This is pinky strawberries, right? When I eat this, it looks like I'm gonna chew bubble gums. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. It's getting sour.
Does it taste good?
It's getting sour and hard to bite.
It's hard to chew. It's chewy, gummy. It's gummy.
It's sweet and sour.
It is sweet and sour, right?
That's how it tastes, sweet and sour.
This is the lettuce. I'm going to eat this in 3, 2, 1. Well, sorry, I cannot eat these, right? If you like to eat these, yeah. If you like to eat these, say yes, okay? Bye. See you next time.